Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is right here trying to fix my fucking LTR 450. Man, I don't know what the fuck happened, but all I'm getting is a little click I opened the key and all I'm getting a little click. Took my battery to get recharged. It was charged. Brought it back. Nothing. Then it makes a little click and I could feel it right there in the solenoid relay. My friend has a LTR 450 as well. I took it to his house. I tried my solenoid. With my solenoid and his quad, it turned on. So I don't know what the hell's the problem. Hope you guys can help me. And yeah, I'm using my wife's account, so it says Evelyn Aguilar. I'll give you guys a sample of what's going on. Just a fucking click. My lights do come on. My headlight does turn on. Just I don't know what the fuck's going on.